When making a video, there are two common ways of appearing on camera. There's looking into the lens like I'm doing right now, or there's looking slightly off a camera like this. So which one should you be using for your videos? Are you already producing videos for your business? Then make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to make your video marketing even better. Looking off of camera like this is usually used more in a documentary style video, because the idea is you're talking to an interviewer who's sitting next to the camera and you can ignore that the camera's even there. This may be a good tactic if you're struggling with your confidence on camera, as looking straight into a lens can be quite daunting. If you're filming by yourself and you don't have anyone to talk to off of camera, you can fake this by creating a mark yourself. So this could be any object in your room, it could be a plant in a corner, or you could even put an X on the wall in tape. This is important as it keeps you looking in the same place in between takes, which creates consistency between your shots. If you're struggling with your confidence on camera, then watch this video right here as I give my top 3 tips for appearing comfortable in front of camera. There are a couple of things that you want to keep in mind when you're talking off a camera, and the first is framing. So you want to move over so you're in 1/3 of the frame with the other 2/3 being in front of you. This will help balance the shot. If I move over to the other third of the frame, you can see there's no looking room in front of me and it looks like I'm talking to a brick wall. The second point is to not overdo the angle from your face to the camera. So you want to be looking about 6 to 12 inches away from the lens. This allows people to still see both your eyes and most of your face. Whereas if you go side on, it may look a bit artier, but it's harder for people to build a connection with you because they can't see both of your eyes. The more popular standard at the moment is talking directly to the camera. In my opinion, this helps build a connection and a relationship between you and your viewer, as they feel that you are talking directly to them. You may feel uncomfortable at first staring directly into a lens, and there are a couple of techniques you can use to get yourself past this. So the first is, imagine that one of your customers is standing directly behind the camera. You're not talking to the camera, you're talking directly to them. Another tip is to not look at the recording screen whilst you're filming. So a lot of digital cameras have rotating screens now, or if you're on your phone and you're filming in selfie mode, it's going to be right there next to your lens. Don't be tempted to look at it because you'll keep looking over and your viewer's going to wonder, what are you looking at? When talking directly to camera, I recommend that you center yourself in the frame and that you place your eyes on the top third line of the frame. This is going to draw your viewer's eye towards you and help build that connection that you are looking for. If you need help lining up your shots, most phones and cameras have an option to turn on frame guides. This will divide the frame up into the thirds that I was talking about. Don't worry, they're not going to end up on your final footage. So to wrap up, it's good to talk off of camera if you want a more documentary feel to your film, or if you're not comfortable talking directly into a lens yet. But if you want to create a connection with your viewer and you want them to feel like you're talking directly to them, talk straight into the lens. What's your preferred method? Do you prefer talking straight into the camera, or is it better for you to talk just off of camera? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a thumbs up. And to boost your video marketing game, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell to catch my weekly videos. By yourself, and you don't have an option to turn on flame guides. No, clear. You can't come in. Nah, I'm sorry.